तो यहाँ पे हमारा चालू हो जाता है मॉड्यूल इन पाइथन। तो मॉड्यूल मॉड्यूल इन पाइथन में स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, व्हाट आर मॉड्यूल्स? मॉड्यूल्स आर फाइल्स कंटेनिंग पाइथन definition and statement. Example, name.py. A module definition can be imported in other module by using import name. A module name are available as a global variable value to access a module function type name for dot function. तो ये इस तरह से हमारा access module function में क्या करेंगे, टाइप जो भी नाम रहेगा ब्रैकेट को इस तरह से आ जाएगा। More in modules. Module can contain executable statement along with function definition. Each module has its own private symbol table used as the global symbol table by all functions in the module. तो हर एक सिंबल प्राइवेट सिंबल का अपना ईच मॉड्यूल में हर एक प्राइवेट सिंबल का यूज किया जाता है, ग्लोबल मीनिंग है उसका। मॉड्यूल कैन इंपोर्ट अदर मॉड्यूल्स। Each module is important once per interpreter session. Reloaded name. Can important names from a module input the importing module symbols table? From mod import M1, M2 or star M1. Executing modules. Python name.py argument run as if it was important. Settings like that name slash this main. The file can be used as scripted or an importable module. The module search path. The interpreter searches for a file name name.py. The current directory given by variable sys.path. The current director given by variable s.s.path. List of directories specified by Python path. डिफॉल्ट पैथ यूनिक्स यूजर, ये इस तरह से इसका पाथ दिया गया है, UNIX USR लोकल LIB पाइथन। script being script being run should not have the same name as standard module or an error will occur when the module is important. Compiled Python files. If file mode.pyc or mode.py are the same directory, there is a byte compiled version in the module mod. The modification time of version of mod.py used to create mod.pyc to store in mod.pyc. इसमें इस सेव करने के लिए उसमें करने के लिए आपको ये लिखना होगा। Normally, the user do not need to do anything to create the .pyc file. A compiler .py file is written to the .pyc. Not no error is failed attempt .pyc is recognized and invalid. यहाँ पे invalid नहीं हो जाएगा, .pyc रहेगा तो। Content of the .pyc can shared by different machine. Some tips. O flag generated optimize code and store it in .py files. Only remove asset statement. .pyc file are ignored and .py files are compiled to optimize beta code. Passing to OOG flag can result a multifunctional program. Dash docs slash string are removed. Same speed when reader found .pyc, .pyo or .py files, .pyo and .pyc files are loaded faster. Startup time of a script can reduce by moving its code to a module or importing the module. Can have .pyc or .pyo file without having .py files for the same module. Module compile create .pyc or .pyo files for a module in a directory. Standard module. Python comes with a liberal and standard module described in Python liberal difference. Some are built-in interpreter import sys dot s1 a comma sys/1c so that सी प्रिंट की हेलो, तो so that print say hello. See, sys dot pair determine the interpreter search path for a module with the default path taken by Python path can be modified with appended example sys dot path dot appended some path. The dir function used to find the name of module defined to return the shortest list of string. Import mode dir mod, तो इस तरह से ये फाइल का नेम रहेगा name m1 m2. ये दूसरा पॉइंट विदाउट आर्ग्यूमेंट it lists the name currently defining variable module function etc. Without argument it lists name currently defined variable module function etc. Do not list the name for built-in function or variable. Use bulletin to view all view in function and variable. Packages. Dot module name. Example A dot B. Some module B is packed in A. Saved author for multiple module packs for worrying about each other module name. Python searches through sys.path directory for the package subdirectory. User of the package can be uh, user of the packet can import individual module from the package. Way to import a submodule. Import sound.effect.echo from sound and effect. Import echo. Some modules must be referenced by full name. And import error exception is read when the package cannot be found. And import error exception is when the package cannot be found. अगर नहीं मिला तो फिर error show करेगा. Importing from a package does not import all some modules from the package. Ensure that the package has been imported, only importing the name of the submodule defining the package. Import sound dot effect dot echo. Import sound dot effects or dot surround. From sound dot effect import. Important. Intra-packaging reference. Some modules can refer to each other surrounding might use echo modules. Import each also loud surrounding module. Import statement first look in the containing package before looking in the standard module search path. Absolute imports refer to some module of sibling package. Absolute फिर से पढ़ते हैं इसको. Here some modules can refer to each other surrounding might use echo module. Import echo or also load surround module. Import statement first look in the containing package uh, before looking in the standard module search bar. Absolute imports refer to some module of sibling package. Sound dot filters vocode vocoder use echo module from sound dot echo dot import dot echo. Can we write exploitation relatable imports from dot import echo from dot import format from dot filter import for equalizer. Packages in multiple directory. Path is a list containing the name of the directory holding the packages int.py. Changing this variable can be affect future searches for module and sub packages in the package. Can be used to extend the set of modules in a package. Not often needed. चलिए अब ये लिंक आता है बस थैंक यू.